Do you want to pass your C programming exam easily? Then watch this video till the end. In this video, I will explain most important questions in very simple English. Let us start with question 1. Attempt any 5. Data types in C. Data types define what type of data we store. Examples include int for integers, float for decimal values, char for characters, and double for large decimal values. These are very important because they decide memory allocation. B. Else if ladder. It is used when we have multiple conditions. We check conditions one by one. If one condition is true, remaining are skipped. C. Break and continue. Break stops loop completely. Continue skips current iteration and moves to next. D. Array and 2D array. Array is collection of similar elements. Two-dimensional array is like matrix with rows and columns. A. Getchar and putchar. Getchar is used to take character input. Putchar is used to display character output. F. Pointer advantages. Pointers reduce memory usage and allow efficient function calls. G. Structure. Structure is used to store different types of data in one variable. This question is very important for theory. Now question 2. Structure of C program. It includes header file, main function, and logic. Execution starts from main. B. Leap year program. A year is leap if divisible by 4. But if divisible by 100, it must also be divisible by 400. C. Character vs integer array. Character array stores characters and ends with null character. Integer array stores numbers. Size differs based on data type. D. Swap using function. We pass values to function and exchange them. It helps understand function concept. This question is important for programming. Now question 3. Printf and scanf. Printf is used to display output. Scanf is used to take input. B. Reverse number program. We use loop and modulus operator to reverse digits. C. Structure program. We store data of students like name, class, percentage. D. Pointer to function. We pass address to function using pointers. This question is very important. Now question 4. Variable definition. Variable is name of memory location. Rules include starting with letter and no keywords. B. Array sum program. We take input and add elements using loop. C. Area of circle using function. Formula is pi into r square. D. String functions. StarCMP compares strings. strrev reverses string. A. Pointer operators. Star gives value, ampersand gives address. This question is important for basics. Now question 5. Arithmetic and bitwise operators. Arithmetic operators perform calculations. Bitwise operators work on bits. B. Grade program. We use nested if-else to assign grades based on percentage. C. Matrix addition. We add corresponding elements of two matrices. This question is important for logic building. Now question 6. Switch case. Use for multiple conditions instead of if-else. B. Functions. Includes declaration, definition, and function call. C. Pointer arithmetic program. We perform operations using addresses. This question is very important. Let us start with question 1. While vs do while. While checks condition first. Do while executes at least once. B. Algorithm and flowchart. Algorithm is step-by-step solution. Flowchart is diagram. C. Array definition. Array stores multiple values. Types include single and two-dimensional. D. Pointer operators. Star is value, ampersand is address. A. Math functions. Examples include sqrt, pow, ceil, flow. F. Keywords. Examples include int, float, if, else. G. Flowchart symbols. Oval for start, rectangle for process, diamond for decision. This question is important for theory. Now question 2. A. Getch and putch. Getch takes input without displaying. Putch displays character. B. Marks and grade program. We calculate percentage and assign grade. C. Break and continue. Break stops loop. Continue skips iteration. D. Pointer arithmetic. We perform operations on addresses. This question is important. Now question 3. Recursion. Function calls itself. B. Largest of three numbers. We compare values using if-else. C. Sorting array. We arrange elements in ascending order. D. String functions. Use for string operations. This question is very important. Now question 4. Structure of C program. B. Call by value vs reference. Value passes copy, reference passes address. C. Pointer to array. D. Two-dimensional array. Works like matrix. A. Even numbers program. This question is important. Now question 5. A. Pattern program using loops. B. Printing address of variables. C. Local vs global variables. Local inside function, global outside. This question is important. Now question 6. A. Structure program for employee. B. Matrix addition. C. Function returning pointer. This question is very important for exams. Now you have learned all the important C programming questions. If you practice these questions, you can easily score good marks. Do not just watch, write and practice these programs. Share this video with your friends. And subscribe for more simple programming videos. All the best for your exam.